There's a hidden world beneath these calm Canadian waters. And today, we pulled out one of its most ancient, mysterious residents, the American eel. It's a legendary journey for them, and now it's the start of a legendary dish for us. We're taking this incredible catch and traveling over 13,000 kilometers with flavor to create a fiery, unforgettable Sri Lankan-style spicy eel curry. This is a dish of contrasts. The rich, fatty, almost sweet meat of the eel, meeting the bright, complex, and volcanic heat of Sri Lankan spices. It's a match made in culinary heaven. It all begins with our star, 700 grams of fresh American eel. Give it a thorough wash, clean it up, and a simple marinade with just a bit of salt. This helps season it and firms up the texture. Now, for the soul of the curry, the sauté. This is where the magic starts. We need a handful of aromatic curry leaves, a whole head of garlic, and a large knob of ginger. We'll crush these for maximum punch. 1 large onion, finely sliced. 2 ripe tomatoes, chopped. They'll add the essential tang and body. And now, the color and the warmth. We have our ground brigade. Turmeric powder for that golden glow and earthy base. Black pepper powder for a sharp, floral heat. And the key, a heaping tablespoon of Sri Lankan roasted curry powder. This is the irreplaceable heart of the flavor. And then, we have the fire. For a gentle warmth, a few green chilies. And for the inferno, not 1, but 2 ghost peppers. We're not playing around today. Handle these with respect and maybe some gloves. Let's build our base. Oil goes hot into the pot. Listen for that crackle as the curry leaves hit the heat. Then in go the onions. We fry them slowly, patiently, until they're soft and translucent. This sweetness is crucial. Now add the crushed garlic and ginger. That aroma is incredible. Follow with the tomatoes and all our powdered spices, the turmeric, pepper, and curry powder. Watch the color deepen. We fry this, stirring often, until the tomatoes break down and the oil separates from the spice. This step, called frying the spices, is non-negotiable. It cooks out the raw taste and unlocks deep, layered flavors. Now for the main event. In goes our marinated eel. Gently coat every piece in that glorious, fragrant spice. Let it sear for just a minute. Then pour in enough hot water to just barely cover everything. Bring it to a lively boil, then immediately reduce to the gentlest simmer. Cover it and walk away. This is where patience is your best ingredient. We let it simmer for 25 to 30 minutes. The eel needs this slow, gentle cook to become fall-apart tender and to soak up every bit of that spice infusion. In the last 5 minutes, we add our green chilies and the whole ghost peppers. This gives the curry a pervasive, aromatic heat without making it unbearably spicy all at once. You can remove them later if you want. And here it is. The transformation is complete. From the cool, deep lake to this vibrant, steaming pot of fire and flavor. The eel is unbelievably tender. It melts in your mouth. And the curry is complex, rich, and has a heat that builds with every bite. It's a journey worth taking. Wow, the flavor is incredible. The eel holds up beautifully. It's not fishy at all, just rich and succulent. And that heat, it's a slow, rewarding burn. Absolutely delicious. If you enjoyed this adventure, from lake to plate, from Canada to Sri Lanka, do us a massive favor. Smash that like button. It really helps us out. And if you want to join us for more unique culinary expeditions, where we catch it, cook it, and fuse flavors,